How to log out of all devices in Hulu. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you the ways to log out of all devices on Hulu app. So for that case, you have to first of all log in and make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. When you're logged into your account, click the profile icon from the top right hand side corner and you'll be able to see a drop down menu. So go ahead and select account. As you click on account, it's going to take you to the information page where you can see all of your payment details and all that. And in order to make changes with your account settings, click on manage devices. As you click on manage devices, you'll be able to see a pop-up menu where you can see the list of devices that your account is logged in. So go ahead and select the particular device from where you actually want to remove the following account, or else if you want to log out from all the devices, just go ahead and select remove all account and then confirm it by entering the password. As you do that by entering the password, then you successfully logged out of all devices on Hulu. So that's how you can log out of all devices on Hulu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.